Kia ora everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm having Cook Island food. Cook Island food, guys. Have a look. I've got the mayonnaise, I have otter, raw fish, and I've got the nice Cook Island donuts, and they cooked soy sauce chops, and I have poke as well. And I also have pudding, guys. So that's pudding with nice custard. And the drink today is only my cake and water, guys. Cheers. I drank half of it already. It's so hot today, guys, so you'll be hearing the air condition. But I can't be helped. Look at this, look at this, look at this. What a delicious looking donut. But anyway, guys, let's not touch anything before we do our prayer. So I just want to do a quick prayer because I can't wait to eat. Okay, guys. This is what the banana bouquet looks like. Oh, it's delicious, guys. You know, it's made of really ripe bananas and arrowroot powder mixed in. Make it lovely, roast it, and then you add in the coconut cream for the saucy. Okay, I'll start with the mayonnaise, guys. Look, I appreciate the people that made this. Well, when I went there to buy it, the man that makes the donut, he had just arrived to deliver them, and oh, I just got excited. See, when the cookies make it out, have a taste, guys. They had chicken as well. Look at this, eh? There's soy sauce chops. Good to eat it with the mayonnaise. So lucky, so fortunate. So how's everyone been? Always got to look for somewhere to put your bones. Oh, this is cooked to perfection. Okay, it's so nice. So guys, it's not only eating, it's just dig in and eat. Guys, this is snapper raw fish. No. The girl there said, "Tell me how it tastes like." And I go, "Oh, did you make it?" She said, "Yes." So, can you see? Anyway, guys, have the first bite. You know what? I like that there's a lot of lemon. I can taste it. Good on you, girl. Wow. Look at this. Let me have a bite. My. I love it. It looks so good. Mm, 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 mm. You know when you're happy, and you're eating nice food, you're going to dance. Oh look, it's got a lovely onion. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Okay. Mm. Sorry guys for making you guys hungry. Have a bite of the pocket. Banana pocket. No, I still got food in my mouth and I'm going to shove this one into. So I can't help it. There's a texture I love. You know, there's some that's made. It can be really like, really bouncy and chewy. This one's just nice. In between, you know. My husband's gonna love this. It's so good. Oh, thank you to the hands that made this. This is mania, guys. Mania. Wait your moment. I'll get there. Guys, this food is from Chrissy's Cafe down in St. Mary's, opposite the station. Oh, what you guys got to eat? I hope you guys got something to eat. So good. Right. My mouth's not big enough for a spoon. All this for you guys. I had some more at the shop. They have chicken too. Cooked chicken. They're so cool, like they have cooked food, so you can go there. You with your donuts, and you with your potato mayonnaise, and your bucket with fish. Down in St. Mary's, 112 Station Street, St. Mary's. This is so good. This reminds me of the suppers that my husband used to bring home, because he used to be security guard at the Polytube in Mangabe, New Zealand. And he always brought home a supper. And they had potato mayonnaise, like a boiled chicken or something, chop suey. It was the best part of him coming home. I don't know. Oh, my phone is dinging. Ding. Don't ring, just ding. Do you know that thing, TikTok? Do you know, ever since I was a teenager, I always used to go, hey, TikTok. And now it's a word that they use to do the yeah, TikTok. Mm. 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 That's why I was laughing with my sister. Look, remember, way back in the 80s, that word was, hey, TikTok. Mm. So I want to shout out to my friend Rob Nye on Kai now, okay? Man, that guy's a champ. I went over to show a picture of mine for my curry, and my lamb flap curry, alright guys? And, you know, he said hello to me. I was happy. Anyway, we always say hello to each other when we see each other's, you know. Well, ding dong, mate. With my phone. Anyway, shout out to you, Rob Nye. You are a really cool person. You know, you got a heart. You know what? This guy's got a heart, I tell you. Rob Nye and Kai now. Go and check them out on Facebook. It's not that he needs any introduction from us Islanders, but that guy's got a heart of gold, guys. And I thank him very much for, you know, I don't know. I think they're not allowed to promote on their Kai Now page. I was only saying hello to my friend, and then he put my picture up of my channel. So thank you so much, Rob. Hey, listen, stop it, guys. OMGs, what a nice pudding. I'm not joking, guys. Listen, I've tasted pudding here, there, and I never have that, like, okay guys, because I can make pudding. And I've never met anyone close to the way I make mine. You'll see, I've done videos before. Puddings are nice, delicious, but I'm telling you, this one gives you that oomph, like, oh, it's got an oomph TikTok. Ooh. Oh. I want to know who made that. Oh, this is lovely. This is like my one. Ladies and gentlemen, we have to find out how they got my recipe. Nah, this is lovely. Man, hey, lovely. You know what? I appreciate all the hands on. The book is delicious. The donut's awesome. My sister's already a fan of this raw fish. And I love that they have cooked meat, like they have cooked chicken. They have cooked chicken there. And they have the soy sauce chops. And then they also have Ruko with salted meat. So I bought one for my husband, guys, and I bought some chops because I knew I was going to do a mukbang, and the raw fish, of course, and this delicious pudding. Guys, my husband's going to taste this and he's going to go, Daddy, did you make it? And I'm going to go, yes. Nah. Yum. Yum. Delicious. I love that mayonnaise. Memories. It reminds me of when my husband used to go to work. He used to be a bouncer up at this Raro Cook Island nightclub up in Mangere. I've only ever been there like twice. Yeah. And yeah, I have a good time while he's going around skirting and yeah, and I get up and boogie on down, boogie on down. I've been with my husband since 1985, guys. That's a long time, man. I actually to him, look, when you reach 50 years old, we are finished. I did a young guy. And he's nearly 100, I'm still with him. Oh, just love. Love, guys. Through thick and thin, I'm the thin one. And through better or worse, you know what I love about my husband, guys? When I'm sick, he makes it so dramatic. I feel like getting better so he can stop. So dramatic. He goes, oh, hurry up, hurry up. Everyone go and get Mama Jess, go and get, what do you want, darling, what do you want? Oh my gosh, I want to get better so you can stop being dramatic. I know. You know, guys, some people, they don't get this color. They don't get this potato salad. They don't get it. But I do. I do, and I know some of you do too. It's delicious. I love this. I love it all. Good looking donut. Obviously the person put a little bit of yellow food colouring, and why not? It's their way of cooking it. It's up to them, so long as we can eat it. Well, these are all freshly made. So good. Dip it in the raw fish. Dip, 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 dip. My earrings. My double chin. Look how good looking they are. I know I shouldn't smell my food. This June, my husband's planning to go to Cook Island. He wants to go visit Aitutaki. And this year as well, my sisters and I, we're planning to go to Bali. We've already put away money, started banking on my own, take our mama there to Bali, and hopefully, it's not going to be that hot there. It's hot in Samoan too, you know. Yeah, so, yeah, take our mama there. Why not? No, my mom and dad, when they were younger, they couldn't get away. They couldn't go anywhere. Why? Because they were working hard. See, that's the thing, eh? People work so hard, right? You know, like, and then they don't get to enjoy the fruits of their labor. You know what I mean? My dad worked all the way till he was really old. Not that old, I mean, because my dad and my parents were in, New Zealand. I moved here in 1991 in Australia. But I really, really missed him. Oh my heart. I didn't feel complete, you know, without them being here. So this is what I done. I don't know if I told the story before. I told my kids, that's when he used to do tape recorder, you know. And I said to my older kids, I said, now, I want you guys to sing a song. Call out hello to my your grandparents, and then tell them to come over and sing a song. So, and of course it's a Bible song, a song that my mom used to teach the kids, the older ones. So I'd say, okay, you guys sing this, and I'll press play and they'll sing. And you know what? When my mom, then I sent off the cassette to my parents in Auckland, When my mom heard that, they chucked in their jobs. I better end this video, guys, because the camera is saying, hello, I'm heading up here. Do you even care? And I go, yes I do, you suki lala. I'm going to end this video, so don't forget, guys, put up your fellas channels, you know, open up your fellas channels, start your recording, upload, and us Polytubers out there will come and support you. Okay, guys, but don't forget, always thank God for our life, our food, our delicious food, and just being alive, you know, to be with your family and your loved ones, you know. So it's a goodbye from me. Ka kite, kia manu everyone. Signing out. Nanu nanu. Whātui fua.